So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so my packages has arrived finally. The first official mods that I'll be doing to my car is obviously the lighting. So we have this H11 bulbs for my headlights since it's an ugly brown yellow color. So I'll be making that match the LEDs. And of course we have our blacked out side markers. And I have my assistant here carrying all the boxes.
Yeah, and this is Teddy driving.
Hooray! So she had the boxes with the lights and the side markers. Alright guys, so we are now officially doing the first mod to the Honda Civic Sport Hatch. And I have here Kevin and Aubrey. They're going to be my helping hands. Let's get started. And Teddy.
To carry small stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. So this is what it looks like now. As you can see, I still have the halogens right there, as well as the high beams. They're also halogen. And then we have our LEDs right here. So my goal is to match the headlights with that color right there. Amazing. So this is what it looks like inside the headlight. So basically you open the hood and this right here, this plug right here is your low beam, and this blue plug right here is your high beam.
Yep. You just have to press down right here. So you take off the connector.
So you twist to the left and then it should pop out like that. This right here is the old halogen bulb, and we're going to be replacing it with the new LED bulbs. There we go. And these lights are actually plug and play, so he's actually installing it back in the housing. So basically, you insert it and then twist to the right to lock it in place. And then I guess this we can like zip tie or use double-sided tape to tie somewhere. So we are now going to be testing the new headlight. Hopefully nothing blows up. Look at that, that's the new one.
Look at the old side. Oh my god.
And then this is the old one. It's that ugly brown yellowish color versus these fully LEDs right there. Damn, that's nice.
That's a big change.
Whew. All right, let's do the high beams now. Same thing with the low beams. So that's the old high beams right there.
That's the new one.
And that's the new one.
Got it.
Got it?
Yep. Just sit in. Yep. Good.
Cool.
Good.
All right, so we're now going to be testing the headlights.
Yep. It's definitely brighter now. Holy shit.
Yo, that's awesome.
There you go.
That is nice. And then this right here is the old ones. And then in terms of visibility, this is what it looks like. Obviously that's the new, and then that's the old. That's a big difference.
Big difference.
So now we're going to be doing the other side. Alright, so now we're finally done. This side was a little bit tricky because of all these wires that are in the way. But yeah, we're finally done and we're going to be testing it out now. So that's the final result. That shit looks nice. Those are high beams, and then now this is gonna be low beam. Next, we're gonna be doing the side indicators. So these are the old ones. These are like orange. So I'm gonna black those out with LEDs. So first, you're gonna turn the wheel to the left, since we're gonna be doing the right side first. So now, in order to get these side indicators off, so 2 of these screws right here, 1, 2, and then there should be a tab right here, which you can move this over to get access to the side indicator. That should help. There we go. Cool. And as you can see right here, it's fully LED, and I want to give a huge thank you to Kevin. He pretty much did all the work. I just stood there and supervised pretty much. So this is the final product. We're finally finished with the headlights and the side lights, and as you can see, it's a million times better than what it looked before. Alright, that about wraps up the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think of the video, and ring that notification bell icon for more videos, because I will be doing more things to this car in the future. Well, not me, probably Kevin. But... Okay, bye!